Hi guys, good afternoon, good morning from wherever you're watching. This is an initial space and today I am going to the market. So my friends and I have a staycation for 2 days and I'm going to be cooking for everyone. So come with me to the market to get all the items I need for cooking. So we are making jollof rice, we're making puff puff, we're making chicken sauce, we're making I can't remember other things, but I would update you guys as time goes on. So come with me to the market where I go get some things. So we are making jollof rice, we're making hummus sauce, we are making puff puff, we're making bole and fish. So you guys, I'm in charge of the cooking, you know, as a chef. So I'm going to the market to get all the things that we are going to need for the cooking. So let's go. Guys, I'm at the bus stop and there's no single bus at all. See everywhere. Merry Christmas!
What did that happen? I don't know what's
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Lord. Bye. Good children.
Merry Christmas from the Baccaris! Merry Christmas everyone! Happy holidays! Hi guys, Merry Christmas. So right now I want to go and get some things because I want to make fried rice. I don't know, this Christmas is not Christmassy like other Christmases. I don't know if you guys understand. Like, it's just there. Nobody has given me rice. I haven't gone to anybody's house to eat rice. So, you know, let me just make mine. So I just want to make fried rice. I'm tired of jollof. I've been making jollof for the past how many days. So I want to go and make, like, to go get things for fried rice. I'm making fried rice and maybe chicken or something. Nothing too serious. Because Christmas is special, but it's just like every other day because I eat fried rice, jollof rice and other food every other day. So anyways, let's go. I also, don't forget, I also have like a staycation with my friends where I'm going to be hosting and cooking for 2 days. So I'm almost done prepping everything I'm going to need. I've gotten the chicken, I've gotten the drinks, water and every other important thing that we're going to be needing. So I'm off tomorrow to my location and I'll be showing you guys every single thing that I'm going to be doing. So stay with me. Pepper I'm going to be using for the jollof rice. I'm going to go and grind it now, and then I need to buy like fish because we are doing bole and fish. I'm going to buy the fish I'm going to use, and then I'm going to buy the ingredients for the fried rice for the house. So let's go.
Hi guys, today we went
Oh my god, I'm going to be uploading from here.
yes from here to I don't know.
Hi guys, so I've gotten to my location. Now I'm about to start prepping. Guys, I finished boiling the chicken and frying. Let me show you guys how far I've gone. Food is ready. So we have jollof rice, chicken, and plantain. Everyone is just talking about this jollof. That is so nice, so good. You know. We are going to the beach. This is Susan. I think that's treasure. This is Una.
Let's go now.
Is it waiting for?
Emeka.
Picture together in all of this test.
Don't worry, God will provide.
Everybody say hi.
Baby, baby.
Honestly, I've had jollof and I had Susan's jollof, and I would say that is the best representation of Nigerian jollof. Absolutely delicious. It wasn't too soft, wasn't too strong, perfect texture, and the taste. And it wasn't overly peppery. The plantain was plantain in, the chicken was chicken in, the spice was, inside. I could feel all the maggi, the pepper, the ginger, the garlic. Honestly, I ate more than I should have. And this morning my stomach was very tight. So it was amazing. Thank you very much, Susan.
I am a chef and I have cooked jollof of all kinds. And I'll tell you firsthand that I had something yesterday that blew my mind. And ideally, I do portion control, but this one, I lost my control because the food gave me an orgasmic effect, from the rice to the plantain to the chicken. Please tell me something about this chicken. It's so nice, fluffy. The seasoning were just on point. Nothing was too much. I mean, I was the one who ate on the pot, so I can testify that this was good. So Susan's delicacy is for the win. I will gladly recommend anytime. Thank you so much. So I had Susan's rice, delicacy by Susan, and I want to say that it was so tasty. I know everyone has probably spoken about how it's been, fluffy, the chicken and all. I don't think I've had any Nigerian rice that's oilless. Like, I don't know what she did. It had no oil in it, and I love rice that way. It was tasty for 11 people. It's not easy to cook for a crowd, and I'll give Susan 100% for her rice, the chicken, and her bole. I'm so full. Thank you, Susan, for feeding us. I love your meals.
Hi guys. So first off, I'm not really a rice person, but then I had Susan's rice and my God, it really blew my mind. Like, she's such a good cook. I don't know, like the texture, the whole taste, and I really enjoyed the rice, and I highly 100% and 1% recommend it. Bye guys.
Okay, I don't know how to cook. People can say that, but then if you taste good food, you just know. And Susan's delicacy was amazing. I have a good palate for food, and I would say it was amazing. Simply amazing. That's all I can say. Thank you.
So I usually don't recommend or taste or talk about food that I eat because I don't eat a lot. But I had an amazing jollof yesterday, and I like it wasn't doing too much. It was just smooth. And if you're out there and you love amazing jollof, please, Susan's delicacy is amazing. You should totally try it.
We're going home.
You could take this now and go to some other